What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today, we're gonna unbox our November company, Rogue Patriot Beard Company, and see what products we have for the month of November. Now, this is a massive box, so stay tuned to the intro. Welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to dive into this box for Rogue Patriot Beard Company. These are the products we're going to be using for the month of November in my beard. If you're not familiar with Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month of only their products going in my beard. And my cat has decided to join us out here. So let's dive in. So today we're going to be using the Victorinox Swiss Army Bantam. That's what we're going to use to get into this box. So I did a review of this knife. If you're interested, you can check out the card up top, but we have a big knife blade here. And let's get into this. It cuts like a hot knife through butter. So let's get up here. Cut that bad boy. I don't want to cut nothing. He told me he had printed out some stuff and sent me, so I don't want to cut through no paper. I'm not sure what's in here. All right, so a box of shred. So let's get past the shred, and we have an envelope. All right, so what do we have? First, we have a business card. All right, so the owner of Rogue Patriot is Brandon. All right, so thanks again to Brandon for participating in Year of the Beard. He has done it once before. We discussed the other day what scents I had already used, and so hopefully we got new stuff. So we've got a bunch of pages here. Well, we got about 4 or 5 pages here. So we've got different scents with scent profile and a little bit about each scent. So we're gonna keep this handy. We've got beard oil ingredients, butter ingredients, deodorant ingredients, beard wash ingredients, beard conditioner ingredients. So we're going to keep this handy in the event we need it. Make sure there's nothing in here that we need off the bat. We've got a cost breakdown, we got prices, everything. So the big package I see in here, coffee. You can get coffee from Rogue Patriot. So this is Freedom. This is a medium roast ground coffee. So definitely gonna check this out and come back and let you know how the coffee is. So let's get that to the side and let's start digging through and finding some products. So we've got a beard oil. Let's just get everything out and then we'll start opening. We've got a beard wash in a, what is this, 8-ounce bottle of beard wash. We've got deodorant. Now, I know that he had deodorant before that we did previously, but he said he changed up the makeup of that. We've got a beard comb. Let's see. We've got a beard balm. This is straight razor. We've got a butter Southern Patriot. We've got another oil in straight razor. One thing that Rogue does is pump tops on their oils. Another oil in Barkin Beard. This is a brand new scent. All right, so we're gonna be checking that out. They do pump tops on the beard oil. So this is another beard balm. This is Fire and Ice. What else we got in here? We've got a beard conditioner in Patriot Pie. That sounds good. Got a couple more things in here. What all we got? Fire and Ice in oil. We've got straight razor in butter in a glass jar. Oh, there's still something in here. I think this is the last thing we got. Nope. We got 2 more things. So we've got Southern Patriot in oil. And we've got balm in high octane. All right, so let's get the box out of the way and get some of this shrink wrap off. I'm gonna quit talking and I'm gonna speed this up because it's gonna take me a minute. So bear with me. Okay, we got all the shrink wrap off. So now let's see what these all smell like. I'm gonna try to give a first impression. I'm gonna try to see if I can pick it up. My nose doesn't work quite like it used to. I just got over a sinus infection. So high octane, give it a good shake. I love the labels. I love everything about Rogue Patriot. I've used them before. Really good products. So let's see, ingredients on the beard oils are sweet almond oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, virgin argan oil, rice bran extract, rosemary leaf extract, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. So let's see. That smells good. That is, what am I picking up? It is a blend. It is a mix. It says, gentlemen, start your engines, a blend of high octane fuel, motor oil, burnt rubber, and beer. So there you go, high octane. That smells really good. I'm ready to get this in beard. All right, let's get that one to the side. Let's go to the next one. Actually, let's go ahead and look at deodorant. This is Straight Razor. Screw top. Ooh, that smells good. And then you twist. It's just like the other one. However, he said he reformulated, I think, the ingredients. So we're definitely going to give this a run and see how it does. What's another oil? We got Fire and Ice. All right. Give this a shake. Ooh. That smells really good. What is this? A powerful scent designed for the everyday Spartan that wages war against the world daily. All right, so we're gonna go into actual scent profiles once we go through these. So, Straight Razor. I'm thinking this one's gonna be barbershop. Oh yeah. Oh, I get a lot of talcum in that. Oh, that smells really, really good. All right, so we got Bark and Beard. So this is the new scent. Oh, that smells just like a Bart's root beer. All right, so love that one. Southern Patriot. All right, give this one a shake. So all the ingredients are the same on the oils. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that smells so good. All right, so lush evergreen, sweet peach, raspberry, magnolia blossoms, and honeysuckle. That smells really good. All right, so that's all the oils. So we got Fire and Ice in balm. Smells just like the oil. Oh man. High octane in balm. It's pretty subtle, but you can see the balm there. So the ingredients on the balms: cocoa butter, mango butter, beeswax, sweet almond oil, shea butter, avocado oil, macadamia oil, olive oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, virgin argan oil, rice bran extract, rosemary leaf extract, sunflower oil, vitamin E, and a signature blend of scented oils. There you go. A lot of stuff in these, but a lot of similarities between this and the oil, which is really good for your beard. And really a good reason why we do Year of the Beard, to show that consistency on what that carrier does for our beard. So Straight Razor in balm. Oh, man, that smells so good. That is, let's see what the scent profile. Classic barbershop scent accompanied by rich tobacco, pipe tobacco, Spice Bay rum, and smooth bourbon. Oh, that smells so good. All right, so we've got Straight Razor in butter as well. That smells so good. All right, so the butter ingredients: coconut oil, cocoa butter, mango butter, beeswax, sweet almond oil, shea butter, avocado oil, macadamia oil, olive oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, virgin argan oil, rice bran extract, rosemary leaf extract, sunflower oil, vitamin E, and signature blend of oils or scented oils. Then we have Southern Patriot in butter as well. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so our beard wash and conditioner, we have Patriot Pie in beard wash. Ooh, what is that? That smells really good. And they've got the pop top on the beard wash and the beard conditioner. Beard conditioner and Patriot Pie as well. All right, so we got to find this because I can't tell what that is. I have an idea, but I don't want to be 100% wrong. So Southern Patriot, we already talked lush evergreen, sweet peach, raspberry, magnolia blossoms, and honeysuckle. We're going to go through each one of these individually. They're going to get their own update video, so I'll dig into the scent profiles on that. Fire and Ice, cooling ozone with a twist of citrus, followed by cinnamon, clove, wood smoke, velvetier, and cedar. High octane fuel, motor oil, burnt rubber, and beer. Straight Razor is classic barbershop scent accompanied by rich pipe tobacco, spicy bay rum, and smooth bourbon. Patriot Pie, which is our beard wash and conditioner, juicy apples, spicy cinnamon, delicate nutmeg, and crispy pie crust. I got the cinnamon. That was the first thing, the cinnamon and the apple. Man, it smells really good. Barton Beard, the new scent, which is cold, crispy, and refreshing root beer. All right, so there it is. Prices. Let's go ahead and do the prices. And if we can get to that page. Let's see. Oils, balms, and coffee are $15. Butter, wash, conditioner are $20. And deodorant is $10. So there you go. We're going to talk about each one individually. A couple other things. There's something else on this page. Let's see. For every item you add to your cart, you save $2.50 per item per transaction. You can apply a coupon to the order for additional savings. He gave us a discount code, a coupon code for you guys. So you can use the code Outdoorsman and you can get 15% off. It does not apply to merch, subscription services, or coffee, but it does apply to all the beard products. A veteran discount. If you are a veteran, reach out to Rogue Patriot directly for a special coupon of 25% off. Amazing, amazing. All orders are subject to a $10 shipping unless you spend over $75. Over $75 is free shipping. There you go. That's Rogue in a nutshell. We're going to go over each and every one of these products. I'm going to use them in my beard, and I'm going to come back with update videos for you. So make sure to stay tuned for that. We're going to keep all this paperwork handy so we can tell you everything about each one of these and how it did in my beard. So go check out Rogue Patriot. There will be a link in the description below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because there will be update videos, a lot of them throughout the month of November. So stay tuned for those. And yeah, that's all I've got for today. Stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.